they must be good at something else than studies. So we don't want to find out what they're good at. And our education is very, very fixed, and which I don't know. And there are so many people here who are, I think, most of them are very, very well educated. But I don't know if there's one person here who will immediately tell me when Kutubuddin was born. I doubt anybody will tell me that. But then that is what we do. We waste our time learning something which we are not going to use in life. I am very positive. I think everybody here wants to know about history. But then if someone wants to do graduation history, he has a choice. He can do graduation history. But why force me into knowing, giving exams about Kutubuddin's birth and when Muhammad Khilji came to India or when Muhammad Ghazni left India? How does it affect me? Or for that matter, how much is the rainfall in the tundra regions or the crops in the Tropic of Cancer regions? It is, I feel it is useless. But I think geography and history should be taught, but don't take exams. I think the children will enjoy it more. They would love to learn more. And we don't have a choice. And I think IT is one sector which it's not too taxing. I think it's quite easy, though I am not too good at it. But I think it came a little too late in my life, the whole boom, the IT boom. But then today, children, you don't teach them anything, but the children also, 8 and 10 also, they pick it up immediately. And that is the future. So with science, arts and commerce, I think this is one field, and it is a job-oriented field. And I know today, one example I want to give you, there's a boy I know who couldn't pass his 10th standard. And it was absolutely difficult, then they were forcing him to do a 10th standard, and he couldn't concentrate on studies. And everybody, I remember one of his uncles came and told me कि तुम्हारे इधर कोई चाय वाय बनाने के लिए होता है तो इसको लेके जाओ, इसका कुछ होने वाला नहीं. And I felt sad. I said that boy must be good at something else. So he was good at computers. There's a company here called Prime Focus. I took him there and I said he knows computers, he wants to learn. So today he is excellent. He does film work, and today he is making I think more than ₹1,00,000 a month, and he is very good at it. At the most, after passing his SSC, I think we don't, even a class 4 peon in a bank, we need 12 standards. So 10 standards so kuch hone wala nahi tha uska, but he's not passed his 10th, but he's making ₹1,00,000 a month, and that is thanks to choosing a profession of his choice. So that is why Shikshana Chahisa was made. I don't know. I feel nobody should fail in this. Nobody has a right to fail anybody. When someone says you have failed in maths, but do they check whether I am good at something else, gardening maybe, or carpentry maybe, or painting maybe, or singing maybe? And we need more choices. We need a bouquet of subjects. We need carpentry, we need gardening, we need so many other things to be in our curriculum for a person to choose a profession of his choice. When we go abroad, I am very fascinated when a carpenter comes and alone he works the whole day, and he does work in the house and makes a lot of money. So it's not that there are not enough professions, it's that we don't want to look beyond our history, geography and civics. I think we don't need to give exams of telling people don't spit here when half the Mumbai after passing their graduation still spit. So it's useless, at the end of it. So that is why I was, when Rajesh told me let us make this ad, I said let us make this. And it was not an easy ad to make, because see, other products you don't have to. This was an informative ad, and then still wanting to make it interesting. And I'm happy Rajesh gave me all the liberty to write the script and present it. I just hope people, students have a better choice to choose a profession of their liking. And IT is one. And IT people sometimes feel it is just learning computers, but there's so many things you can do. You can do animation, you can edit a film, you can do n number of things. So I think that is the future, one of the future. with gardening and with carpentry. I love those two professions, with farming for all you know. But at least we have a choice, and this is the right choice. And I spoke now because I think after the ads, I don't know what to speak. I just spoke because, and I hope I don't have to speak after the ads are shown, because they'll speak for themselves. And sorry for being late, because I was just caught up, because I was just, traffic is atrocious. We need courses of how we can control the traffic. I hope Rajesh takes a cue from me, and you can control the traffic if we are a little disciplined. I don't know how the times, I don't know, just off the track, but I want to tell you this. Half the times the roads in Mumbai have right turns or U-turns after every 20 meters. Why? If you have a car, you can travel another 50 meters and then take a U-turn. Half the problems of Mumbai's traffic is because everybody wants a right turn right opposite their house. And if there's no right turn, they'll break the dividers and make a right turn opposite the house. So, what needs to be taught is civic sense, not civics. So thank you for hearing me out. Thank you for being here. And I just hope you love this ad so we can have an early dinner. Thank you.
Maheshji, thank you. And we will now see the 4 ads. All the 4 ads are made in 3 languages. But just to save on time, we will show only 1 language of every ad. So 4 ads, 4 minutes, and after that 2 radio ads, 5 minutes in totality. Then we will have a short question and answer session with Maheshji about education. And I will request all in the audience, whatever questions you need to ask. He is a very smart man to give smart answers.
ये हमारी बेटी। नमस्कार, मैं राधिका। नमस्कार, मैं भी राधिका। 3 मई मेरा जन्मदिन। मेरा भी जन्मदिन 3 मई। पेंटिंग मेरा शौक है, मेरा भी वही शौक है। मैं आईटी ग्रेजुएट हूँ, मैं कॉमर्स ग्रेजुएट हूँ। मैं तुम हूँ और मैं तुम। चकरा गए?
कैसे?
नॉर्मल कॉलेज से ग्रेजुएट हो ना, और उसी वक्त सेंट एंजेलोस कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन से आईटी की डिग्री हासिल करना। डिग्री या डिप्लोमा? डिग्री, यूनिवर्सिटी से।
सिर्फ डबल ग्रेजुएट ही नहीं, पर 12वीं के बाद यूनिवर्सिटी से आईटी की डिग्री हासिल करने के लिए भी आप सेंट एंजेलोस कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन में प्रवेश ले सकते हैं। सिर्फ एक डिग्री हासिल करने से बेहतर है एक उज्जवल भविष्य बनाइए। सेंट एंजेलोस कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन, क्रिएटिंग ग्लोबल करियर्स।
क्यों जोशी, खुश लग रहे हो?
खुश नहीं हूँ, बेटी को प्यार हो गया है।
तो इसमें हंसने की क्या बात है?
लड़का थोड़ा बुद्धू है। तो मैंने उसे कहा कि बेटा पहले ग्रेजुएट बन जा, फिर मेरी बेटी के बारे में सोचना।
अब क्यों हंस रहे हो जोशी?
पागल, बोला 3 साल में ग्रेजुएट नहीं, डबल ग्रेजुएट बन के दिखाऊंगा। तू क्यों हंस रहा है?
अरे पागल वो नहीं, तुम हो जोशी। सेंट एंजेलोस कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन की वजह से 3 साल में डबल ग्रेजुएट होना काफी आसान है। नॉर्मल कॉलेज से ग्रेजुएशन करना और उसी वक्त सेंट एंजेलोस कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन से आईटी की डिग्री प्राप्त करना। डिप्लोमा नहीं, यूनिवर्सिटी की डिग्री। कांग्रेस जोशी, होशियार जमाई मिला है।
12वीं के बाद यूनिवर्सिटी से आईटी की डिग्री हासिल करने के लिए भी आप सेंट एंजेलोस कंप्यूटर एजुकेशन में प्रवेश ले सकते हैं। St. Angelo's Computer Education, creating global careers.